Hi everyone. This paper is Spectroscopy Method in Chemistry reappear third sem in December 2024. Define force constant. Explain the term contact and pseudo contact shifts. What is the significance of Beer-Lambert law? Calculate the energy associated with the radiation having wave number 3 into 10 raised to power 4 per centimeter. Why are peak broad in UV spectroscopy? Discuss the effect of hydrogen bonding on vibrational frequency in IR. What do you mean by base peak? उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Distinguish between the following pair of compound with the help of IR technique. Ethanol and dimethyl ethyl. उसके बाद है प्रोपेनल एंड प्रोपेनोन. उसके बाद है सिस एंड ट्रांसिनेमिक एसिड, इथेनॉल एंड इथाइलमाइन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्या कह रहा है, ये 14 नंबर में है. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है एक्सप्लेन ब्रीफली इफेक्ट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रांजिशन. ए कीटोन वाज investigated by UV spectrum. The spectrum was recorded in ethanol and hexane. What shall be the effect of lambda maximum? उसके बाद सेक्शन बी है acetylene proton are more shielded than ethylenic proton. Explain. Describe with example the various factors which affect the magnitude of the chemical shift. उसके बाद है what is the principle of NMR spectroscopy? What is the advantage of 13C NMR or 1H NMR? उसके बाद explain in detail the mode of bonding in ambidextrous ligand. Discuss the symmetry and shape of AB2, AB3, AB4, AB5 type of molecules. Briefly explain the basic principle of Mossbauer spectroscopy. Very important question है. Explain how Mossbauer spectroscopy is helpful in study of bonding and structure of Fe2 positive and Fe3 positive compound. उसके बाद write a detailed description of McLafferty rearrangement and metastable ion. What is the importance of metastable ion? Explain nitrogen rule in interpretation of mass spectroscopy. उसके बाद explain the following EI, CI and FD. That's all.